Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's a beautiful day here at Emerald Heights International School Indore grounds as we witness the West Zone 1 national qualifiers matches of the 2019 Reliance Foundation Youth Sports School and College Football Championships. The national qualifier has the champion teams from Indore, Bhopal, Nagpur, and Ahmedabad competing for the honor to represent West Zone 1 in national finals to be held later this year. In the fourth match of the day, we will be witnessing the final in the sub-junior category between MM Rabani Nagpur and Vrajbhumi Public School Ahmedabad. It's now time to welcome the match officials and team onto the field. Come on everyone, let's cheer for the teams. May I now request everyone to kindly stand up for the national anthem. Thank you everyone. We will now have the team handshakes.
And we're right back into the sporting action here at the Emerald Heights International School ground in the city of Indore, state of Madhya Pradesh, for the national qualifiers of the Reliance Foundation Youth Sports Football Championship, as we have MM Rabani High School facing Vrajbhumi Public School in the sub-juniors boys. So this is Mohammad starting in goal, Abdul Rahman, Mohammad Miraj, Munibar Rahman, Hassan, Tafsir Junaid, Amish, Mohammad Kaif, Mohammad Faraz, Mohammad Ali, Mohammad Khawish Jafari. And Vrajbhumi Public School, Manav Waghela starting in goal, Shivam Pandey, Rahil Faldu, Jyotiraditya Bharia, Kirtan Ahir, Rahul Rathod, Rudra Dhani the captain, Mikan, Talha Shah, Karan Asnani and Love Patel. And the captains of both the teams, MM Rabani High School from Nagpur and Vrajbhumi Public School of Ahmedabad, exchanging
Thank you to the officials and both
their
the
banners, a token of
It's now
sportsman
time for the
spirit and
match to
chivalry.
begin. Let's make some
Rudra
noise. All
Dhanani, the
best to
captain
both the
of
teams.
Vrajbhumi Public School Ahmedabad, and Hassan, the captain of MM Rabani High School. Vrajbhumi played against Emerald Heights International School in the sub-junior boys category. They lost that match by a single goal. The first goal coming in the 15th second of the match itself, the fastest goal in the national qualifier. and they were highly disappointed by their performance yesterday. Let's see if the team from Ahmedabad can make a comeback. And in goal, we have Manav Waghela of Ahmedabad for Vrajbhumi Public School. A very tall goalkeeper for the sub-juniors boys category. He's setting himself up between the six. We are in the center line for the kickoff. MM Rabani High School to take the kickoff, and here we go. The boys in orange are Vrajbhumi Public School from Gujarat. And the boys in blue, wearing their original jersey, are from MM Rabani High School, Nagpur. Love Patel. It's a quick free kick coming in from the defensive half of Vrajbhumi Public School. And this is the coach of Vrajbhumi Public School, Hitesh Parmar. He knows his way around and was very hard on his boys yesterday when they lost the game. And this is the coach of MM Rabani High School, Atiq Ur Rahman of Nagpur. Both the coaches are already on their feet observing their boys. 60 minutes for this fixture. It's a free kick from the center line for MM Rabani High School. Waghela collects easily. Sends it down the ground. Vrajbhumi Public School is a pretty strong side. We had Karan Asnani score a hat-trick for Ahmedabad. Well, so far in this tournament, all the hat-tricks have been scored by players from Gujarati schools. We're yet to see a hat-trick coming in from a Nagpur kid or a kid from Indore or Bhopal. Ball's out of play. It's going to be a throw-in coming in from Jyotiraditya Bharya. Gives the ball away. Throw taken quickly. Hassan, captain, takes the throw quickly. Mohammad Kaif had received the ball, but it's gone out of play. There's a lot of tussle in the middle of the park to win possession for the ball. This is Karan Asnani in the right flank. Ball collected. Well, Karan Asnani was benched yesterday for the first half. He started the first half on the bench. The match against Emerald Heights Indore, and then he was beckoned during the second half. And the young boy tried his level best to score a goal, but he failed to do so. Tafsir. Good ball for, but intercepted. That was a fine interception there made by Shivam. Shivam Pandey taking the ball to the next wing on his own. Good switch. Karan Asnani sends the ball forward. Tried to play it quickly. Asnani coming in with all his speed. Here comes Karan Asnani trying to find some room for shooting. Goes down. Tries his shot but goes down. And Hitesh Parmar not at all happy with the attempt of Karan Asnani. He wanted his boy to do better over there. Here's the replay. Karan Asnani with long strides taller than half the defense, tries his shot and collides with the defender over there. Now here comes Nagpur. Needs to send the ball in. Good ball in, but on the side net. It's going to be a goal kick. Rabbani High School from Nagpur. They're looking good in the opening 30. Rahil plays it down the ground. Sent back forward. Oh, good dribbling there in the center. That is good dribbling, good passing as well. And good ball forward. Could this be in? Waghela collects. The goalkeeper is twice the size of the boy who tried to attack. Rabbani School sends another good ball forward. This is Mohammad Qaish. Mohammad trying to look for options. Ali. And, well, you can't do that in football, love. Captain Hassan to take this free kick. Here's the replay over there. Manav Waghela collects. Manav sends his boys forward. Takes the kick quickly. Oh, this is looking good. Rudra trying to make his way in, and it's in the back of the net. Ahmedabad has magically scored before Nagpur, and it's the defense of Rabbani High School that is to be blamed over there. Here's the replay. It was Manav Waghela's goal kick. That was an own goal. That's going to be embarrassing for Rabbani High School. The first goal, an own goal. That is surely going to affect the morale adversely. Karan trying to win the ball, but I think he went in elbow first. It's going to be a foul. Another heavy tackle coming in. The referee is going to call for a foul. Here comes Nagpur. Good ball in. Intercepted there. Nagpur still in attack. Oh, the little attacker over there sends the ball in. Quick passing here. Rudra playing it quick. That was a quick pass and turn. Rahul Rathod sends the ball forward, trying to find Karan Asnani. Asnani stops the ball. Can he cut in? Decides to cross it in, and Rudra tried to do something heroic over there, but he fails. He could have stopped the ball instead. Ball sent back to Asnani. Now Asnani stops the ball, thinks about it, takes a shot, deflected and corner. That's good stuff there by Karan Asnani. Multiple attempts on goal by the boys from Ahmedabad, Vraj Bhumi. Rahil to take the corner. In comes the cross. And it's a foul. Rabbani High School from Nagpur with head coach Atiq Ur Rahman. Oh, look at Asnani go. Good dribbling there by the young boy. Yes, the shot. And it's off target. That was good dribbling there by Karan. If that would have been goal, if that would have been a goal, it would have been absolutely memorable for the boy from Vrajbhumi. Look at that. Perfect elastico there first. Goes past two players and shoots. But misses. Not too far there. Was almost in. Good interception there by Rudra. Tries his luck and he's off target. Well, Rudra could have taken his time. There was no real challenge on him. Could have taken the ball ahead a bit. But he goes for an early shot. He did not follow through. Did not lean in. Lots of mistakes there by the captain. Rabani intercepts. Mohammad Kaif. Ball sent forward. Rahul Rathod hovering around Hassan. Ball knocked forward again. This is good passing amongst the players of Vrajbhumi. Ball's out of play. It's going to be Vrajbhumi's throw. Score is 1-0. The boys from Ahmedabad are in the lead. Quick throw by Asnani. It's out of play. He tried to keep it in. Good attempt there by Karan. There's a goal kick for Vrajbhumi. For MM Rabani. And the little players passing the ball amongst themselves. Sub-junior category. 6th, 7th and 8th graders playing on the ground right now. And that is exactly the kind of exposure you would want at such a young age. The experience of a professional ground. The size of the same ground on which senior boys are playing. Vrajbhumi is still desperately trying to win back possession. Now the boy slips over there. Sends it back to Jyotiraditya. Quick passing over there. Karan. Good dribbling there by Karan. Quick pass. Trying to find Rudra over there, but Rahul Rathod couldn't pass it to Rudra. Here's Rahul Rathod again on the ball. Trying to get past the opposition. Oh, this is a good run. This is looking good. This is Junaidi. Can he find some space? Good block there by the defense. Here comes a counter-attack, but there are a lot of players from MM Rabani who are already waiting in their own defensive half. Only 3 people moved forward for this attack. Manav Waghela. Launches the ball forward. Oh, this attack is looking good. Here comes Nagpur. Can they score? Here it is. And it's off target. Good attempt there for the first time. Nagpur takes a shot. And it's Tasir who tries his luck, but it's off target. Good judgment there. Brave judgment there by Manav Waghela. He did not even attempt to stop the ball there. Talasha loses possession. Manav plays it down the ground. Karan Asnani tries to stop the ball. Loses possession. Holds on to the possession. Here comes Karan. Tries to pass it in. Faulty clearance there. Rudra has a lot of space. Here comes Talha Shah. Plays it quickly to Rudra, who then gives it to Rathod. Cleared out. Kept the shot from going anywhere near the goalkeeper. Rahil. Asnani couldn't reach the ball. Waghela clears it out. Still 1-0 over here. The team from Nagpur trailing by a single goal. Junaidi. This is looking good. Collected by the goalkeeper. Tafsir is playing pretty good. All he needs is some more support. He's usually going in there alone. Quick passing around. Rahul Rathod. Rudra tries to win the ball physically, fails. There are 3 defenders over there who have formed a perfect triangular defense. Well, the students over here are absolutely mesmerized by the professional setup for football here. Most amateur leagues simply allow the students to play on a ground like this, but to include live coverage and other professional match related aesthetics like the walk-in and the national anthem, and of course maintaining stats, is something that's special to Reliance Foundation Youth Sports. This is promoting football amongst the Indian schools to a brand new level, trying to target the sport and its development in the grassroots level itself by introducing it to young children and giving them the platform to display their skills and to encourage them to keep on with the dream of India being a footballing nation someday. Here comes the cross. And most players who are playing in this tournament are absolutely world class. You can expect to see them probably in the Indian team. We have stories, success stories of players who were attached to the RFYS and then making their way to the Blue Tigers. Here's Rabani's attempt, collected by Waghela. Waghela quickly puts the ball back into play. Asnani lost possession. Rudra played it to Asnani. He can play it back to Rudra, but he sends it in. Who tries a volley over there. And they can play slow here. Ball cleared forward. Oh, good run there, but he's going to be offside. Oh, he's onside. This could be it. This could be the equalizer. Oh, he misses. Tafsir Junaidi has missed. And how? How was that possible? Waghela did narrow his angle, but Waghela did get lucky there as well. Rudra. That was Rabani's opportunity at equalizing. Tafsir Junaidi with a poor miss. Good call there by the boys in blue. It's a handball. Trying to find Junaidi. Waghela making decisive calls for his team. Found Karan, who goes down. In goes the ball. Asnani. Good stuff there by Karan. Fantastic distribution by the head. Rahul. Intercepted there. Played it back to Rahul, who was unable to stop the ball. Gives away possession. And it's out of play. Not much left in the first half, and the boys from Vrajbhumi Public School have scored their first goal. MM Rabani still trying to find that equalizer. This is Muhammad Zaid. Here they come. Here's the shot. Simple for Manav Waghela. Cleared out by the defender. Flags up for offside. This time Junaidi was offside. It's going to be an offside free kick. Quickly taken. Rudra trying to find some support there, but possession switching hands. Rudra back into play. And giving away possession again in the middle of the park. Rabani in possession. Here they come. This is Hassan. Tafsir. Mohammad. There was good stuff there by Mohammad Kaif. Good interception. The little boy trying to do something special here. Rahul Rathod plays it out. And both the teams are now just knocking the ball around whenever they get the chance to. No one's really creating any opportunities. MM Rabani High School has had their fair share of opportunities. And to be honest, they've had more opportunities than Vraj Bhumi. However, that sad own goal is going to add slightly more pressure on the boys in blue. 6 minutes left for half time. Here comes Karan Astani. Cleared out by the defender. Oh, and there's a bad tackle there on the ground. A collision from the back and a yellow card for the captain of Vraj Bhumi Public School. Rudra Dhanani has been booked for that tackle from behind. Here's the replay. Look at that. Wasn't an intentional tackle over there, but it had nothing to do with the ball. So a yellow card is justified for the skipper of Vraj Bhumi Public School. Send the ball forward. That's off target again. A sensational finish for the captain. A sensational finish for the captain of MM Rabani High School. Look at that. He took the ball through the whole team on his own. Takes the ball past the goalkeeper, who is literally twice his size, and has played a captain's role just before the first half could end. Nagpur has equalized with Ahmedabad. This is Tafsir. Vraj Bhumi's defense took the boys in blue for granted, and they've paid the iron price for it. What a goal that was by the captain. This is good stuff here by the boys from MM Rabani High School. It's 1-1 on the scoreboard just before they were going for half time. What a goal by Hassan. To dribble past one or two defenders is something that we... Look at that. Look at those step overs there by the captain. MM Rabani School know their football very well. You might have underestimated them since they conceded that own goal in the beginning. But they've come back, and they've come back strong. It's a goal kick. Look at that goal again by Hassan. Dribbles past 1, 2, 3, and the goalkeeper. Superb stuff there for the captain of MM Rabani High School. Nagpur is right back into this game. And the ball's out of play. Not much time left. It's going to be 1-all. The referee looking at his watch. He can blow the whistle at any time. The boys from Rajbhumi were probably thinking that they're going to go back to their benches with a 1-goal lead. But those hopes have been squandered by the boys from MM Rabani High School, who have managed to score the equalizer just in the nick of time. Look at Hassan go. Junaidi. Atikur Rahman, the head coach of MM Rabani High School, cheering his boys on. Rudra tries to go past the defense there. And here comes MM Rabani now. Attempt for a step over. Trying to keep the ball in control. This is Mohammad Kaif. Good ball forward. Hassan trying to get past. Hassan tries his luck. Off target. That could have been another cracker for Hassan if that would have gone in. Good attempt there by the captain. He's taking his team on his shoulders now. And the referee just seconds away from blowing the halftime whistle. There it is. The halftime whistle. What an entertaining first half here at the sub-juniors boys category. Just when people were thinking that the sub-juniors boys category might be a bit mild compared to the other categories, the young boys have proven them wrong. Kids from 6th, 7th and 8th grade playing football as professional as they can. And what a session of 30 minutes action-packed football displayed here at the Emerald Heights International Ground. And the boys from Ahmedabad were in a 1-goal lead due to that own goal. But MM Rabani have equalized. Let's take a quick look at the highlights. And the customary exchange of pendants. And both the teams were extremely excited and extremely energetic to start the match. And multiple occasions where jersey number 9 of MM Rabani High School, Tafsir Junaidi, had multiple opportunities there to score, and that was the own goal over there. Tragic for the boys from MM Rabani High School. And so many opportunities, so many shots taken by the boys from Nagpur. And that was the showstopper for the day. One of the best goals we're going to witness this season. A one-man army goal by the captain Hassan Ahmed Khizrat. 30 minutes of football. It's all level here. 1-all at the Emerald Heights International School ground. We'll be right back with 30 more minutes of footballing action at the Reliance Federation Youth Sports National Qualifiers. Here we go. The second half is underway. A match that could be the formula of yet another entertaining fixture between a team from Ahmedabad and a team from Nagpur, as MM Rabani High School takes on Hiramani School Ahmedabad. Vrajbhumi School Ahmedabad. Sorry. Well, MM Rabani High School's senior team is waiting on the sidelines. They are playing next against Hiramani School from Ahmedabad. Hiramani School's junior team played in the morning today. Absolutely devastated their opponents in a 9-goal saga. This is Rudra. It's 1-1 here at the Emerald Heights International Ground. And Vrajbhumi School was in a 1-goal lead. It was an own goal that was scored by MM Rabani High School's defender. However, a good comeback was made after a good 20 minutes of attempt after attempt from the boys in blue. And it was the captain, Hassan Ahmad Khizrat, who rushed into the box with elegant ball control, dribbled past at least 90% of the team and scored an absolute beauty to equalize. Here's Rudra. Quickly passes it down the ground. Another quick pass. Here they come again. Oh, good ball forward. This could be in. Out comes Waghela with a very good stop. Good save there by the goalkeeper from Ahmedabad. Here's a replay. There was a good opportunity to score there. Mohammad Jafri. This is Mohammad Kef. Possession, one back. Rudra. The ball being passed around quickly. One all on the scoreboard. And almost 25 minutes worth of football will decide a winner. A draw could be very costly for Vrajbhumi. They lost their game in day 2 against Emerald Heights. It's going to be a corner for Vrajbhumi. Corner kick to be taken by Rahil. Here comes Rahil's corner. Here's the header. As a big deflection over there. They're still keeping it alive. Karan plays it back. Cleared out by MM Rabani's defense. But it's still with the boys from Ahmedabad. Here's the replay. Rudra tried that header over there. And a follow-up was coming by Mikan, but it was cleared out by MM Rabani's defense. Oh, this is looking good. This looks like a replica of the previous goal. Superb stuff there by Hassan, but he goes down in the box in the end. That was a sensational dribbling there by the captain. Here's the replay. Look at him go. He was dribbling so effortlessly through the defense. Here's the free kick forward. Karan Astani in the clear. Here it is. Finally, Karan Astani has taken the lead for Ahmedabad. And Vrajbhumi Public School has scored in the second half. And in the right time as well. A good ball straight towards Karan Astani was onside. Quick turn and a whip straight into the bottom corner. It's a goal for Vrajbhumi. It's a goal for Karan Astani. It's a goal for Ahmedabad at the Emerald Heights International School Indore. The scoreline is 2-1. Here comes Asnani again. He's adamant on scoring more. Rudra tries to keep it in. This is Tafsir. Looking good here, Tafsir. Trying to send the ball in, but into the safekeeping of Waghela. Ball sent forward. Well, there are matches that are simultaneously conducted on ground 2 as well. There are 2 grounds here at Emerald Heights. We have live coverage for one and we are recording the other one. Well, Emerald Heights, the home team, is playing on the other ground, and we can hear the cheer, celebration and joy from the other end of the campus. Since they've scored against their opponents here, the home team has scored. Hassan. Rudra holds the ball. This is looking good. Oh, Rudra is in the clear. Sends the ball in and it's another own goal. Vrajbhumi has scored only 1 goal so far. 2 of them are own goals. It's 3-1 and it's captain Rudra Danani who is responsible for this one. He was looking for a cross, but he sends the ball in and it's an own goal coming in from Amish Anwar. Well, if Amish wouldn't have come in the way like that, it would have surely been finished by Karan, who was waiting for that ball. (3-1) on the scoreboard now. That is surely going to put an effect on the morale of the boys from Nagpur. Well, if you notice, Karan is relatively slower on his feet. Ball played forward. Stopped there by jersey number 9, Mikan. He's got a lot of options. Tried to send in a good ball forward. Karan. And yes, it's past the keeper. And in the back of the net as well. Karan Astani has scored the fourth one for Ahmedabad. It was 1-1 at the brink of the second half. And now it's 4-1. Karan Astani has scored a hat-trick before. He scored a brace now for his team. The young boy is surely tired, but he's doing his part for the team. Look at that. Past the goalkeeper it goes. And in the back of the net, Ahmedabad leads 4-1. This is looking very good for Vrajbhumi Public School. Collected by the goalkeeper over there. Here's the replay over there. Karan's goal. Again, the defensive lapse by Amish Anwar. Lets Karan through, and Karan rips one in. Sneaks past the goalkeeper. Here comes the free kick, sends one in. And that's offside. Hitesh Parmar, the head coach of Vrajbhumi Public School, absolutely delighted with his team's performance. But he wants his kids to score more goals. There's never something called as enough goals. You can never get enough of goals. Gotta keep scoring. Hassan. Can you dribble past players again? Hassan still in possession. Look at the young boy go. His dribbling skills are so effortless. The boys from Rabani are dribbling very well. But it's the finishing where they lack a bit of poise. This is Mohammad. Hassan tries to send one in. Cleared down the ground. Rudra. Dhanani needs to start running with the ball quicker. Good ball forward to Karan Asnani. Here comes Karan again. Could he get that hat-trick he's been wanting? He's already got one hat-trick in his pocket. Sends the ball selflessly into the box. Tries to find some people on the box. Here's the shot. Deflected by the defender. Asnani is on it again. Sends the ball back in. Rudra trying to win the ball over there. And they've lost possession. Here comes Rabani on the counter-attack. Mohammad Kaif plays it back. Hassan. And that was Tafsir who gives away possession. And good stuff there by Jyotiraditya. But he gives away the ball back to Tafsir. Hassan again. Look at the captain go. Good dribbling there, but he's been outnumbered in the box. They know that it's only one person who can dribble through. And they're keeping a special check on him. And even if he gets past the defense, he has to go past the relatively tall goalkeeper for the sub-junior division, Manav Vaghela. "4-1 on the scoreboard. Well, speaking of height, Manav Vaghela has that height advantage. And when it comes to goalkeeping, most goalkeepers are tall, but not all goalkeepers. Of course, there's the example of Iker Casillas of Spain, who was 5 foot 10 inches, if I'm not mistaken. He was one of the shorter goalkeepers, but of course there are the taller ones as well. Thibaut Courtois of Belgium, currently playing for Real Madrid, is a taller goalkeeper. Manuel Neuer of Germany. Gianluigi Buffon of Italy. They're all tall goalkeepers, at least above 6 feet tall, so that they can reach the crossbar effortlessly. If you're a shorter goalkeeper, Guillermo of Mexico is a shorter one. They call him the cat. Rudra. Sends the ball into the center. Vrajbhumi Public School are in cruise control right now. All they're trying to do is to get more goals for that goal difference. This is Mohammad Kaif. Tafsir. Still keeping it on here. This is looking very good by Hassan. Well, he can't do it alone there, Hassan. He at least has 3 to 4 people blocking him and marking him at all times. He needs support. Out of play. Vrajbhumi Public School are in a healthy lead here of 3 goals, but they're still trying to score more goals. Oh, look at that young boy tricking the defender. He's been pushed there. It's going to be a free kick for him. Fifteen more minutes left in the second half. 13 minutes left in the second half. There's a substitution coming in as well. Not much time left. And there's a substitution coming in as well. Oh, Karan Astani tried to do something over there. Tried to go for that hat-trick aggressively, but the linesman has spotted the foul over there. It's not a goal. Here's the replay over there. Karan Astani was in the clear. The goalkeeper had the ball, but Astani powering through the keeper. I'm not really sure if that was a foul there. Contestable, arguable. Here comes Rabani. Manav collects. It's still so cool here in Indore. It's literally the thick of the afternoon, but it's extremely pleasant. The weather here, although it's very sunny over here, but the players can play comfortably. Substitution coming in for MM Rabani School. Tamir Akhtar is making his way in, and out comes Munibar Rahman.